Before the activity, we need to fuel our body with some carbohydrates because that's what gives our muscles the energy to move. After the activity is when we fuel our body with protein because it helps rebuild the muscles and things that we tore down during the activity. So prior to activity, I usually encourage a small carbohydrate containing snack. It does not have to be anything big, and it especially will depend on what your blood sugar is before activity. Maybe around 15 carbohydrates is probably a good starting point. And that can honestly be anything of your choosing. Whole grains, fruits, maybe some vegetables do tend to be good ones because of the fiber that's in them. They're going to last longer. And so you won't feel as famished after a workout. Things like peanut butter, like I have here, that might go well with an apple or on a few crackers. Cheese is a good protein food, but you can pair that with something else with carbohydrates as well. Yogurt has both protein and carbohydrate in it. But then after the workout is when we really want to focus on increasing that protein to help rebuild those muscles. And it does not have to be immediately after a workout, although if you're hungry or if your blood sugar is dropping and you need a snack, you can have it immediately after the workout as well.